Welcome back to the Jackie Griffin Show. I am joined on the set now by our extraordinary administrator, extraordinary, all the labels that you give a person that just keeps things up and running here, Miss Joy Adams.
Hey, Jackie.
Hey, welcome to the show. And we want you to tell us all about the network, especially about your Daughter Daddy event that you just did this weekend that was such a success.
I'm so excited just about this year. We're only 6 weeks into the year, and it's some phenomenal things that are happening, especially with WPB Network, which is where we are now. So WPB Network, under the whole umbrella, we have 3 different radio stations. We have WPB Gospel, where we're broadcasting live from now. We have WPB Radio, which is mainly talk radio. We play all kinds of music, feel-good music, jazz, old school R&B, all kind of clean music. And our newest project is Hot 695. Hot 695 is going to be geared towards our young people and the pop genre. But it's a platform for our young people to express themselves, to be able to produce and host their own shows. So yes, we have a lot of exciting things going on here at the network. We're continuing to grow and bring on new shows, and I will say we have the best of the best when it comes to the on-air talent. So so yeah, I'm excited.
So tell us about some of the shows.
Well, last month we have a new show that came on, For Women Only, which a phenomenal young woman who is doing some amazing things as far as bringing women together and empowering them. Her show comes on Monday nights on WPB Gospel. We have, let's see, Love the Culture, which will be launching February 19th. On WPB Radio. Her show will be from 10 to 11 p.m. and she's just going to be talking about some of the Baltimore culture, music, art, entertainment. So yeah, we have a lot of exciting things, and we have opportunities for people who want to host their own shows. Not just the radio, but also we have the newest platform, which is WPB TV. So we're looking for people, you know, who are outspoken or who want to learn the business and grow with us. So I'm excited. We have a lot of opportunity.
We also have opportunities for people who want to do events.
Yes. So WPB Network is held here at the Creative Hub. And the Creative Hub is a open space for people to come create, whether they want to do, you know, TV shows, or they need somewhere to do a photo shoot, a baby shower. We've had everything from press launches to book release parties, product launches. So so yeah, we definitely have over 1,500 square feet of space to be utilized for whatever anyone can envision. Yeah.
Awesome. So give them the information if they want to. Are they interested in doing a show? They're interested in renting space. Can you give them the information and how to get in contact with you?
Yeah, definitely. Well, we're all over social media. You can log on to WPBnetworks.com or follow us on any of our social media channels. The Creative Hub Baltimore on Instagram. We have a lot of pictures that you can see past events and find out all the contact information. Or you can just email WPBnetworksinfo@gmail.com. And I'll get right back to you. Whether you want to host a radio show or utilize the Creative Hub for any of your intimate events, the opportunity is here.
Well, thank you so much, Joy, for coming on and giving everybody the information they need so they can have fantastic, have their dreams come through if that's what they want to do with our network. But we'll be right back with the Jackie Griffin Show.